this has something to do with my next mod, but in order for that mod to be fun, I've got to take care of a driveway issue first. So, this is what's going to happen. I'm going to be turning this into a ramp at the base of my driveway so that I don't scrape my pipes anymore. Okay, so next week I will be doing another mod to the car. It's going to involve the lower valance on the back side. So that's going to be a new mod, but with that it also changes the stance of the car and the angles that I have to drive up my driveway. So today what I'm doing is building a ramp, a buffer, a leveling area on the bottom of my driveway so that my car won't bottom out as I'm going up and down the driveway. Even on bags, raised up all the way, my driveway is so steep that it actually scrapes my tailpipe if I'm not careful coming down the driveway. Here's a picture of just how steep the angle is right now, and at almost full air pressure, what it looks like. So now you know what I'm working with, and I need to raise that up some to keep my car from bottoming out as I go up and down my driveway. So this is a system where you take these floor mat pieces, chop them into their grids, stack them up, and basically create another layer for my car to go down before it actually hits the road. So hopefully I'm going to be stacking 2 high. If not, I'm going to try 3 high. Don't know if I'm going to do the full length of the driveway or if I'm just going to do the half that I'm always going up and down. So for now, I got a lot of cutting to do, zip tying, and getting everything prepped for putting it on the street. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I have cut the mats into their 3x3s. I've broken it down into 1x3s. And what I'm doing is I'm zip tying into the sections here and creating 3 deep little mat extensions, and this is what's going to be placed on the driveway so I can get up and down without scraping my pipes. So progress. So I got 4 of them, cut them into their pieces, and I stacked them 3 high and zip tied them together. But I didn't hook the links together just to make it easier so I can carry it up and down, because I know I'm going to have to.
Keeping it moving, keeping it moving. What are we doing if we ain't moving? Hey, keeping it moving. Like, what are we doing if we ain't moving?